Welcome to this week's video. We had a lot of progress and we're gonna show you how we started removing the floor at the hole. So once we started removing the floor, it actually came together with the subfloor and also with some of the joists. So everything was super soft and brittle. You can see how it moves. And it was all super humid. So what happened is that there's not much ventilation under the house. There are some other areas that have air circulation through vents, like this one here that goes directly to the dining room, or like this other one that goes right under the kitchen. And there's more here in the back of the house, but they don't really reach the front hole at the entrance of the house. So talking to both the termite expert and the floor expert, they both suggested having forced air circulating under the house. So that would be one fan pushing air and the other fan sucking air out. And that way we avoid humidity. Also in the living room area, they already put a double joist, a new one next to the old one, but not in the hall and in the dining room area. So we're gonna go ahead and remove the floor, salvage as much as we can, remove the subfloor, the joist, and install everything new. Here in the kitchen, we finished stripping the walls. We have pretty much the whole floor exposed, ready to continue putting our floor. We also removed the stairs going up to the tile roof and also the handrails and the tiles themselves. Also started cutting all that section so we have access for cabling and install the outlets, all the electrical work. And finally, so that we can remove the garage, we first have to disconnect the cables that go to the feeder and the meter, and that's why we have that temporary meter with our box, and that's gonna feed the swimming pool equipment and all our temporary outlets that are going to be like 5 circuits, which will be enough for anyone working in the house. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for next video.